OOTD! It is so hot today, y'all. It's like high 80s here in Tennessee. So this is what I wore to my internship today. So both my top and skirt are thrifted. I thrifted them both from Goodwill. Just this little black top, and this skirt was actually longer when I thrifted it, but I cut it to make it a shorter length. I really like how it's frayed. I think it adds an edgier look to the outfit. And I paired the outfit with these black flats. I was gonna go for something chunkier, but it's so hot. I just wanted something comfortable and easy. My necklace is from Altered State. I got it a long time ago. It's starting to tarnish. And then my earrings, this one's from a local market. These are from Amazon. My other ones I got at the tattoo shop where I got my piercings. Have a great day.